Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. I wanted to go over how many people does it take to fill in these two matrices so that you earn $5,000 a month and you haven't referred a single person. You haven't sponsored a single person, talked to a single person. You're basically just putting me to work for you. Okay, so there's two programs that are my main programs that I'm building, and why I've switched to these. It's because it's a forced matrix, because I can work and grow it and I can help you to earn, and you don't have to sponsor a single person. Okay, now let's go down and scroll down. This is wealth step by step, the team build. This has excellent team support. There's a big Facebook group with it that has thousands of members. It's got lots of leaders in it. If you have ask questions, you can send prospects there. They ask you who invited you so that you can send them back to, uh, they will answer the questions and then send them back to you. Now, this page will be down there so you can take a look at this, watch this. This talks about how you can earn without sponsoring. And so many people struggle to recruit, and that's why I wanted to focus more on programs that I can grow and you can benefit from. Okay, and then while I'm growing it, you can learn to do it yourself too. And if you're earning a, a paycheck amount of money, you can show somebody, and that's really where referring comes from. Okay, so how much does it take? How many people does it take to fill this matrix out so that you would earn $5,000 a month? Okay, and then we're going to look at the other company too. Now, I like this company because it's got great team support. Adam Walker is the owner. There's a phone number that you can call besides an email address, which the phone numbers are pretty rare. Credit card for an upgrade, it's only $30 a month. The product is an autoresponder. This is very solid. The compensation plan's easy to understand. Okay, you can see how many accounts right here would need to be. Okay, so for right now, how many accounts would you need to have below you to earn $5,000? So you're earning $3 on every level. It's a 3x7 force matrix, means you only have three below you. So when I'm building, when I'm recruiting, and I have, of course, more than the three people falling down below, it goes into my next level and fills. And so no matter how they got there, no matter who sent them there, maybe it was my upline, maybe it was me, maybe it was somebody down here in your matrix that is recruiting and filling their own matrix. Okay, you earn, this is what you earn per person. Okay, you earn $3 at the first level, and then you earn $7 at the second level, which is great because then by the second level you're in, you can pay your monthly subscription of $30 plus you're in profit like over $40. So that's really good. And then you go down here, and these levels you earn $3. Now most force matrices you only earn like a quarter or 50 cents, so this is really good. Okay, and you come down here, you would have to fill all these levels out, or fill most of your seventh level out and then most of these levels out. You'd have to have over 1,600, almost 1,700 people to be earning $5,000, and this is monthly residual income. Again, you do not have to refer a single person to earn that. Now, if you do refer one person, you earn a fast start commission of $30. Okay, so I just want to put this right there really quick on how many people for right here. So that's a lot of people. It's going to take time. Okay, so you need to give me time, but there's nothing wrong with in the meantime of you earning a few $100s as we're on our way, as we're growing. Okay, a few $100 up into, $1,000, $1,500. It takes time to grow this. Okay, but it's a good solid company. Multiple income streams are important. Nice product. As I've said, the how they pay out, you make the $30 subscription payment with a credit card, and then they pay out in the month of December. They're starting to use a payment processor that uses PayPal. It uses ACH, which is direct deposit, so you can use that, and or a mailed check. And they also use Zelle, so and Bitcoin Cash. So there's a lot of different ways that you can get paid from this. If you can get the direct deposit, that's the easiest way. Okay, PayPal too. A lot of people have PayPal. Okay, so this is a very good, solid company, like it, but it does take a long time to get. You're looking at almost 1,700 people to get to that. Okay, but that's one of my two companies. This is my second company that I'm growing. This is VIP Savings Club. I was not going to join another savings club. I was in Nexus. It just took forever to do anything. That was one of those that pays like a quarter or 50 cents per person. You have 500 people below you and you're earning, you know, $50, $100, $200. I mean, it's crazy. And so, and then this, which is a savings discount company, they changed their payment structure. They had a good one before, but the only way you could really earn good money with this was to recruit yourself. And then they changed it to a 4x4 forced matrix. Okay. Now this is with you not recruiting at all. You can see the members right here. It takes a total of 340 members to earn $5,000 a month. So this is a great company, and you don't have to recruit. Again, this is if you do not sponsor a single person, okay? $340. This is a $50 a month subscription. You would still need to be patient, but not as long. At just 340 people. It's because the first level is $2. With 4 people, you would equal 16 people. You get paid $6 for each one. So after your second level, you're already in profit. Got your subscription paid. It's really good. Third level, 64 people are paying you $2.50 each. So you would earn $160. It's the fourth level that comes down here. That's $18.50 per person. That pays you $4,736. Okay. Now, if you do refer somebody, there's a $30 fast start bonus to this, fast start commission to this. And what's different with this is most matrix, you get the fast start and then you don't start earning from the matrix until the next month. This, you start earning from the matrix right below. So you get $30 for if you bring somebody in at your first level, and then you'd get the $2 for the matrix. So you would earn $32. Let's go down here to the third level. If you referred somebody and they fell at your third level, you would earn $32.50. Okay, except at your fourth level, they don't start that the first month. Okay, you would just earn your fast start commission, and then the second month you would start earning $18.50. Okay, but these others, they would pay that first month. Okay, so if you refer even one person at all, this makes it better because this has a 50% matrix match on your referrals. Okay, which means if one of your referrals come in and they're earning, let's say $200 from their matrix, okay, you would earn $100 in a matrix match plus what you're earning from your own forced matrix. Okay, so this, if you even bring in one person, this is the one that the payment structure that pays better quicker. Okay, this one, I still love this one. This has great team support, Facebook group. I'll probably be putting a Facebook group together for us once we get going here a little bit more. But this is really good, and it has the 50% matrix match, which makes it worthwhile even if you only bring in one person. This has a fast start commission. They both have fast start commissions. This is $25. The VIP is $30. Okay, the biggest difference with this is the fourth level with what that pays. And then with this one, you need almost 1,700 people in this to earn $5,000 a month. This is just 340 people. Okay, so, and you earn the 50% matrix match. So there's no matrix match on the other one. Both are great companies. Both are great um, owners, and the owners recognized, because this had a total different pay structure. It was confusing, and they saw that and they changed it, and they hit a grand slam with this one, in my opinion. You know, so this is really good. And oh, the 50% matrix match. If you have a full matrix, or let's say somebody falls way down to your 7th or 8th level that you've referred, and they come in low like that, you still earn a 50% matrix match, even though they're out of your 4x4, because you can only see to your 4th level. So if they fall 5th, 6th, or 7th level, you still earn 50% of what your referral is making from their matrix. So this is very lucrative. This is very lucrative. And one of their, besides being the discount savings thing, which I was kind of like, about, they're in the beginning of the new year sometime, they're going to be coming through with a TV streaming service for no extra charge of the $50 membership. You're going to get TV TV streaming service, which, I mean, movies on demand, sports, it's going to be exciting. To hear more about it, they talk about it right here. Okay, so between the compensation plan and the TV streaming service, this is just knocked out of the park. And this one, these are my two main ones. These are my two main ones, what I'm focusing on. Multiple incomes are important, okay? Stuff happens, okay? It's part of life. Things happen. There's no guarantee that either of these are going to be around 5 years from now, 10 years from now. There's no guarantee that they're not going to be around, So there's no guarantee that the streaming service is going to go ballistic. But if it does, people don't have to pay the membership of $50 if they just want the TV service, and you will still earn a 20% commission if they join the TV streaming service through your link. Okay, so these are big. These are big. Okay, great for either way. If you don't refer, this is $50 a month. This is $30 a month. The product is an autoresponder and customizable capture page. And you have a lot of support. There's a lot of different marketing. We have a marketing system with the team, and special emails that we send out that do really well if you have a list. Okay. So you do not have to know how to recruit, though. You will earn from both of these programs. Multiple income streams are important. You do not know what the future holds. That 9-to-5 job you're at, if you're at that, that's no guarantee that's going to be around. Okay, so just remember that too. Okay, if you have any questions, post them below. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. The channel's small, but it's a good little channel. It does really good. So God bless. Take care, and stay healthy and stay happy.